Welcome or welcome back everyone to my channel. This is me, Prem Kumar. In this video today, we're talking about national insurance number, which in short form is called NINO as per government of UK. It's a funny name though. The question really is, how do I get my national insurance number? Will it be provided to me by government directly, or have to apply, or where can I even find that? So in this video, we are basically talking about all the things that we can look into to find your NI number. And before that, I'll highlight why NI number is important, what it exactly is. Before that, a bit about myself. My name is Prem Kumar. I am chartered accountant working in UK for more than 5 years. My channel has more than 500 videos talking about career, immigration, life in UK, life overseas, how do you come to UK, and much more things. I categorize the playlist, so definitely go out and watch them. So the first burning question is why NI number is important, what it is. So NI number is 9 digits long, basically 2 letters followed by 6 numbers and then 1 letter again. So it's 9 digits long, and it's important because it's your individual tax identity. Basically all the contributions you make from your salary over the years are put against your name, and that will come into play for your state pensions in the end when you're retired. So that's the first thing. Secondly, if you're doing a job in UK, then of course you have to provide your NI number to your employer for them to actually deduct that NI payment from your salary and tax and put against your name. So you can't be paid actually until you give NI number to your employer, because they have to make the deductions. You can start the job of course, but you won't be paid, and you need to apply as soon as you start the job. And thirdly, if you want to claim any sort of benefits from HMRC, from your local council, then you need to give you a specific identification, your tax ID eventually, that they record it against your name. So it's very, very important in all legal matters because your individual taxation identity. I talk about the contributions, of course, from your salary. There's a deduction made along with the tax for the national insurance, and that's dependent on your salary. If you got a salary of 0 to 242 pounds per week, you are not paying any NI. Then if the salary increases after that per week, you are paying around 8% national insurance. And when your salary exceeds 967 pounds per week, then you are of course paying additional 2% on increased income. So this is the current slab for now. It can change of course up and down, but for now this is the slab. So literally you are paying a little sum of money from your salary to the government for the future benefits, or maybe child benefits, or maybe any other benefit you want to claim in the future from the government. So essentially your tax identity. Now there's a discussion going out in the market, of course, is NI really good enough? Like, does it serve the purpose? Maybe just have one flat taxation. But that's the thing we're not going to cover in this video. What we'll focus now is how do you get your NI number. There are of course number of ways you can find your national insurance number or apply for it. So the first one is, if you're born in UK and your parents claim child benefit, then by default you are provided with an NI number, and you will be sent NI number letter from HMRC when you are 16-year-old. So they will just send that to you. Your NI number is already assigned. So that's the first thing if you're born in UK, and that's the process for you. Secondly, if you move to UK from overseas as a skilled worker, like somebody who is actually going to earn money, then your NI number is put on your BRP in past and now in e-visa system. So basically when I came to UK in 2019, my BRP on the backside had NI number written on it already. Thirdly, if you can't find your NI number on BRP or e-visa, then you can check your payslip or P60 form, which is the taxation form. There will be an NI number listed on that. Fourth, you can create your own personal account with HMRC Government Gateway, or you download the HMRC app, and then the app does have a section where you can find your NI number directly. Number 5, if you got any correspondence at all from HMRC or any of the government departments like welfare, or for example any work benefits, then there will be an NI number written on that as well for you. Number 6, if you can't find your NI number or anything, the payslip, P60 form, your HMRC account or anywhere, then you have to apply for one, because that means you will not have an NI number assigned to you yet. So how can you do that? There's a Government of UK website, of course. You have to click on that, and then you have to upload your identity document, which is your non-UK passport or UK passport. Then you have to provide your BRP or e-visa references, and then you have to provide your photo as well. So there are a few requirements you have to fulfill in that form, and then that form will be sent to HMRC. You might also be asked to attend an interview as well, but there are a few requirements of course you have to work through, and then HMRC will send you your NI number. I'll put the link of HMRC website in the description of this video, so you can just go there and apply. After online application, it can take around 4 weeks to get your NI number, so it's important you apply your NI number as early as possible. That's quite important because, as I said earlier, you have to provide your NI number to your employer for them to make sure the tax is deducted, the insurance is deducted before making the final payment to you. So your salary might be put on hold unless you give the NI number to your employer. Next one is of course via post. There's an online system in place, but for the people who want to do it offline, there's an online form. You have to fill that and then just post it to HMRC. So that's a different way of doing it, but essentially takes similar sort of time for you. And the last one is of course just call HMRC and tell them you don't have an NI number, you are about to start a job in UK and you have the right to work in UK and you need an NI number. They'll ask the details and make sure everything's verified before they send the NI number to you. Might be asked to do an interview, provide documents somewhere in physical, or send them, but that's the process. Hopefully this helps. Thank you so much for watching.